What's up guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make these wide leg pants. So let's get started. First, you fold your fabric into 4 places and then you leave 2 inches on the edge. You fold your fabric like this. You fold your fabric into 2 and then into 2 again like this, and then you leave 2 inches on the edge. So I've done that, and then you take the desired length of your pants. So for mine, I'm using 39 inches, and then I added 3 inches for seam allowance. So I have about 43 inches for the length. And then next, you go to the top, and then you take the waist measurement. So you divide your waist measurement by 4. That's a quarter of your waist measurement. For mine, I have 8.5. Then you mark it. And then I'll add 1 inch for seam allowance. On this line, I'll mark my crouch measurement. So I'm using 13 inches. So I'll mark this. And then I'll draw the line down to this place. On this line, I'll mark my hip measurement. So you divide your hip measurement by 4. I have 10.5, which is a quarter of my hip measurement. And then I'll add 1 inch for seam allowance. And then you add 2 inches for the crouch extension. So, and then you come down here and you mark 1 inch for the crouch curve, and then you make a curved line here like this. So I have the waist measurement divided by 4, the hip measurement divided by 4, and then next I'll just mark the line down. Since it's a wide leg pants, I'll mark the line down, and on the bottom I think I have about 11 inches or 11.5. And then on the waist I'll come down by 1/2 inch, or I'll come down by 1 inch. And then I connected the waistline to the hip line with a red marker, and then I'll cut across the red line. I'll cut the first 2 layers. Next, you extend the back crouch by 2 inches. So I have 2 inches. And then you extend the back part by 1.5 inch. So I've marked the line 1.5 inch. And then I'll connect the dots. I'll connect the lines together. And then for the leg part, I extended it by 1 inch. So I have 1 inch, and then I'll connect the lines together. And then I'll cut. And then you notch this part. You go ahead and sew these sides together. So you join it with 1/2 inch. I've done it on both sides. And then you take the back crotch and the front crotch together. You pin it together. You make sure you pin it in the same position, and then you sew it from this one end to the next end. Next thing is to take the measurement around your waist. So I have 19.5 for mine. And then I've cut a strip of 20 inches for the length, and then 4 inches for the width. So you go ahead and sew it with 1/2 inch. You sew the strip together with 1/2 inch. The next thing is to take the right sides of your waistband. You take the right side of the waistband, you pin it to the wrong side of the pants. You pin it to the back side first, and then you pin it around. So I have the right side of the waistband pinned to the wrong side of the pants, and then you pin it around. You go ahead and sew it together. So after joining the waistband to the pants, you go ahead and fold the waistband, and then you pin it to the pants. So you pin it around and you go ahead and sew it. You leave 2 inches opening for elastic, to insert the elastic. So here's what I have. And then I left 2 inches to insert my elastic. So you go ahead and cut the elastic with the size of your waist. So mine is 35 inches, and then it's 1 inch wide. And then I'll insert the elastic to the pants. So you go ahead and secure the elastic. You make a stitch on this place and you spread it evenly and then close the opening. So here's the waistband. It's all done. And then lastly, you go ahead and hem the bottom of the pants. So here's the wide leg pants. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you for watching. Thank you.